Good morning, students of class 3B. This period of mathematics, we have continued exercise 6.3, question number 5. A box contains 20 marbles, out of which 8 are red and 12 are green. Find the fraction of the red marbles. So I wrote here number of marbles 20, number of red marbles 8, number of green marbles 12. We are asked to find the fraction of red marbles. So fraction of red marbles equal to 8 by 20. We cancel it. Both are divisible by 4. In the table of 4, 8 and 20 both will come. 4 2 is 8 and 4 5 is 20. Here I wrote 2 and here 5. So the fraction of red marbles became 2 by 5. Question number 8. Joseph had 12 toy cars, of which 1 by 3 had to be given to his sister. How many toys cars should be given to his sister? Number of car toys equal to 12. The fraction of the car toys equal to 1 by 3, that is given to his sister. So the number of car toys given to his sister equal to 1 by 3 into 12. This 3 and 12 both are divisible because both will come in the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So here is 1, here is 4. So the number of car toys given to his sister is 4. Exercise 6.4, question number 1. Tick the unit fraction in each group. What is this unit fraction? In any fraction, if numerator is 1, that fraction is unit fraction. So here we are seeing that in this fraction 1 by 6, numerator is 1. Now we have to tick it. So we give a tick below of this. Similarly, in this fraction, numerator is 1, we tick it. Here there is only 1, 1 by 10, we tick it. Question number 2, circle the proper fraction in each group. Proper fraction. In a fraction, if numerator is smaller than denominator, that is the proper fraction. We are asked to circle. So in this we are saying numerator is smaller than denominator, we circle it. And this also numerator no anymore, only 1. In 1 by 3, numerator is smaller than denominator. In question number D, this is proper fraction, this is also proper fraction, and this is also proper fraction. More two are there proper fractions in question number 2A. 8 by 9 and 7 by 8. Question number 3. Circle the improper fraction in each group. What is this improper fraction? If the numerator is greater than denominator, those are improper fractions. So 15 by 7. 15 is greater than 7, so that is the improper fraction. There is only 1. In question number D, 52 by 9. 52 is greater than 9, that is improper fraction. 17 by 4. 17 is greater than 4, that is improper fraction. And no more. Question number 4. Pick out like fraction in each group. Like fraction. If the denominators are same, the fractions in which denominators are same, those are like fractions. So in question number A, 5 by 7, comma 4 by 7, comma and 6 by 7. In these three fractions, denominators are same. So these three fractions are like fractions. In question number D, 1 by 9, 5 by 9 and 4 by 9. These three are like fractions because in all these three fractions denominators are same, that is 9. In question number F, 1 by 8, then 5 by 8, then 3 by 8. In these three fractions denominators are same, so these three fractions are also like fractions. Exercise 6.5, question number 1. Compare using any one out of these three symbols. First symbol is greater than, second symbol is smaller than, and third symbol is equal to. Question number A, 5 by 9 and 7 by 9. In this box, any one out of these three we have to fill. So in all these questions you are seeing that denominators are same. Here 9, 9, 8, 8, 11, 11, 7, 7. So in this case we compare only the numerators. You compare these two numerators at first. 5 is smaller than 7. Therefore 5 by 9 is smaller than 7 by 9. In this fraction 1 is equal to 1. So 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. In this fraction 6 is greater than 5. So 6 by 11 is greater than 5 by 11. In this fraction 2 is smaller than 5. Therefore 2 by 7 is smaller than 5 by 7. In question number 6.5, question number 2, in each set of the fractions circle the biggest one. Here there are three questions, A, D and F, and in all these questions you are seeing that denominators are same. So we will compare only the numerators. The fraction in which the numerator is the largest, biggest, that is the biggest fraction. So if you see here, then 4 by 5 is the biggest fraction because 4 is the biggest numerator. Similarly, in question number D, 17 by 19 is the biggest fraction because 17 is the biggest or largest numerator. In question number F, 11 by 18 will be the biggest fraction. Now question number 3, arrange fraction in ascending order. Arrange fraction in ascending order means in increasing order. So we will arrange these numerators in increasing order with the denominator. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, then 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. I have written the answer here. Arrange fractions in descending order. Question number 4C. Here we will arrange the denominators in decreasing order. So the largest one will be written at first. This largest one will be written at first, and largest fraction, largest numerator is 5. So 5 by 7, then 4 by 7, then 3 by 7, then 2 by 7, and at last 1 by 7. Exercise 6.6, question number 2. Add the following like fractions. 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8. In this fraction you are seeing the denominators are equal, so we will add the numerators only. 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 7 by 8. The addition of these two fractions became 7 by 8. Similarly, 5 by 7 plus 1 by 7, we will add 5 plus 1, 6 by 7. 6 by 9 plus 2 by 9, we will add 6 plus 2, 8 by 9. 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5, 1 plus 4, 5 by 5. Both are cancelled. Both are cancelled. At this place I wrote here 1.